Cromer sells salt peanuts for $2.85 per pound and cashews for $7 per pound. How many pounds of each are needed to obtain a 10-pound mixture costing $4.50? So with this mixture problem, the first thing we want to do is identify amounts. And as you can see here, we're talking about pounds, so that's our amount. And our value, this time our value again is money. And let's try and fill in the chart. We want to know how many pounds of peanuts we need. Well, right here it says how many pounds of peanuts and cashews of each are needed. So we don't know how many peanuts there are. We don't know how many cashews there are. But we do want to obtain a 10-pound mixture. So the total when we're all done should be 10 pounds. Now let's put in the values. The peanuts cost $2.85 and the cashews cost $7 per pound. And we want to obtain a 10-pound mixture that costs $4.50. So that will be the total cost for these different pounds. Now this last column is produced by doing a product, multiplying these first two columns together. So we have P times 2.85 is 2.85P, and C times 7 is 7C, and 10 times 4.5 is 45. Now we're going to write our two equations. From the first column we get peanuts plus cashews equals 10. Our second equation from our last column, 2.85P plus 7C equals 45. And in this mixture problem we have two variables, two unknowns, and we need to try and solve for it. So let's try and eliminate our C's. Our P has a large strange number in front of it. To get rid of the C's, all we need to do is multiply both sides of the equation by -7. I draw two lines to indicate that I'm not going to combine these two equations together, but I'm just going to rewrite both equations so that I can clearly see what I'm working with. When I do draw one line, that's to indicate that I'm going to do some math with these two equations, and I'm going to add them together to make the C's go away. -7P plus 2.85P is -4.15P. Adding the C's together, that goes away, and adding the constants together, we get -25. So if I want to try and solve for P, I need to get P alone. I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal. And then I would have P is equal to positive 6.02. But with that small amount, we're not going to worry about it. We'll say that we should mix about 6 pounds of peanuts with, oh, that's right, we're going to need our cashews. Well, remember, we only want a 10-pound mixture total. So if we have 6 pounds of the peanuts, we'll need 4 pounds of the cashews. So that's our mixture problem.